Welcome to the new segment of the grade ninth. We are discussing the economics, third chapter, poverty as a challenge. This chapter already we are completed. Today we are going to do a summarization of this chapter. So poverty it is a big challenge in India, in rural areas and in urban areas. When we studying about this poverty, the day by it is decreasing, and we are studied about some cases from urban areas and some cases from rural areas about Ramsaran and Lakha Singh. So both are struggling for to completing their family demands. Whole family is working to earn some money by a daily wages. So when we see the studies, they are landless and they are unemployed, and their size of a family is very big, and they are illiterate, and their health, they are not getting enough food for to have, that is nutrition food they are not getting, and in their family child labors we can see, and they are totally helpless. And poverty, when we observing or the measuring their level of the income, it is what they are the consumption they are the having in their day to day life, it is very difficult for them to fulfill. Their lack of job opportunity because they are illiterate, the lack of drinking safe water, and the sanitation where the places where they are the living. And some other aspects we are studied about consumption level, that is the people on the basis of their income maximum level, they are the basic needs to unable to fulfill themselves, they are not getting necessary things in a fulfill their day to day life. And what that is a main maximum levels, those things are the level of food requirement, clothing, footwear, fuel, light, educational, and medicinal requirement. These are necessary things they unable to fulfill. And basic need, that is food what they are the having, that is a calorie requirement what they are the having, that is the food items, pulses, vegetables, oil, milk, sugar, these are the needed for to eat a particular calories per day. In the average calories requirement in our country, the 2400 per person, in a rural areas 2100 from it is a urban areas. Yes, so these we all studied. And the poverty estimation, so estimates the poverty how they are the decreasing day by day. The calculation we are the discussed the poverty ratio in urban areas and in rural areas. We have studied about these graph also, vulnerable groups where they are scheduled caste or scheduled tribal people in urban areas and in rural areas. Some again some stories we are discussed about the story of Sivasaranam, Sivaraman, about his family. He is struggling to fulfill their demands, as well as his mother, as well as sister and son and daughter. And the about global poverty scenario we are discussed, in that the different countries they are having extreme economic poverty, we are discussed all those things. and we are comparing about the other country to our country, the how they are the decrease day to day life. Day to day they are the percent wise, the percentage, they are the decrease in all over the world, not only in our country. And causes of poverty we are discussed. So these all graphs we are discussed, graphs about these poverty, uh, poverty estimate we are discussed. In that graph also we are discussed causes of poverty, how it will be effect for to the different categorized, or how it is separated for to the one category to another category, from before the independent and the after the independent. So in from how it is developed, how the irrigation and job opportunities provided from to the people, the some part of the India in industries, public sectors and private sectors, they are the given opportunity for these people, and they are developed their living life. They are the started working for to the in from many uh, departments or the many sectors. The rickshawalas, pullers, vendors, constructions work, domestic servants, they are the irregular small incomes they are the getting, and they are still also they are not having a handful income in their hand. They are not having a they are not getting a income for to fulfill their demands. They are not satisfying their family to giving all the things, and that is a lack of land resources and lack of implementation what they are the having. They are not getting opportunity to work in a rural areas and in a urban areas. So small land, small farmers, they are taking a loans from the bank and as well as many lenders. The next one is anti poverty measures. We are the measuring from economic growth as well as the different programs by a government to give opportunity to the rural areas, especially the government it is giving a more importance for to the rural areas to remove a poverty. They are the making a different programs, schemes, yojanas, they are the making to give a opportunity. One is for first one is the giving education, the both boy and girl child, they are the giving education, as well as they are the making different schemes, that is the under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Gratuity Act 2005. The aim intention the providing jobs for wages 100 days for to the including the SC/ST, and they are the giving importance for to the women also. And the Prime Minister Rojagar Yojana, the aim it is making a self employment, giving a opportunity. The rural employment generation program, that is the giving opportunity for to the rural areas to job opportunities, that is the program under a 10th 5-year plan. Another one, Swarna Jayanti Grama Swaraj Yojana. For this program they are the having a bring up the poor family and helping them. Next one it is under a Pradhan Mantri Gramodaya Yojana. So in that they are the giving the opportunity for to the services such as health, primary education, primary that is needed needs which they are the having, that is a drinking water, shelter, education, electricity. These are they are the providing. And last one, that is a challenge ahead. So this is a big challenge, the not only the poverty. So for reducing day by day, they are the making a progress in not only the poverty is as a challenge, we are the having a population, increasing the population, employment, empowerment of a woman, and the economical worker section society. So these are the different the challenges in front of a government. So government taking a uh, necessary steps to remove all those things. So this is a chapter of poverty as a challenge. For reference, you can refer a ninth grade textbook. Thank you.